Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So as you can see, I'm making a cinnamon toast crunch cake. So I'm adding a mix to the bowl, then I'm gonna add a cup of water, some oil, and 3 eggs. If you're enjoying this video or been enjoying the videos I've been posting, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so I'm just mixing everything up, and then I'm going to be getting a pan, putting some butter in it, and then pouring the mix in and put it in the oven. Okay, so when the cake is done, I'm going to be putting some frosting on top. Okay, so after I put the frosting on, I'm just going to take some of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal and put it on top.